In front of me I've got CUBOT P40, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here go to about phone, so it's the last option under settings, and scroll down to the very bottom of the list again, and here you will see build number. So smoothly click 7 times on this, and as you can see now you're a developer. So let's go back, and now under system, and once you open advanced options, you will be able to find developer mode. Just click on developer options, and here you can smoothly use it. So just locate the operation that you would like to perform, smoothly scroll it down and pick the option that you want to apply or the feature that you would like to add to your device. For example, you can change the display and activate RTL direction. So as you can see now it's perfect for left-handed people. You can obviously switch the feature off the same way, and then if you'd like to turn developer mode off, just click on the switcher. As you can see now it will disappear from system settings, and to activate them again you will have to unlock developer mode one more time by using the same trick. So actually that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.